Hi, this is TJ Muehleman with Standard Co. with a brief tutorial on how to create interactive dashboards in Metabase. So this is a real, actual customer dashboard. This is all public data that we're allowed to share. So I'm not doing anything untoward here. But this is showing a country in Southern Africa called Malawi. And the use case is we want to be able to take users who are looking at this map and be able to take them to another dashboard that shows them more detail about this particular, what's called an implementation unit. For North Americans, this would be equivalent to maybe a zip code or a city or some administrative boundary. But there's a lot more data about these particular districts in another dashboard, and I want to link them. So here's basically how it works. So if I'm hovering over this particular IU, I can click on that, and it takes me to this particular dashboard that has a lot more data about this specific administrative unit. Very cool. Here's how you do it. So let me back up to this dashboard. Obviously, you're going to edit the dashboard, and you're going to pick this particular map. You're going to click behavior. Okay. And in this particular case, the click behavior, you're basically saying when somebody clicks on a specific area of that map, I want to go somewhere, I want to go do something. You can take them to a URL, you could take them to a question, or in this case, we're taking them to a dashboard. So let me just get rid of this real quick. So I'm going to get rid of this. So I can say do nothing, obviously. Go to a custom destination. So I'm going to pick a dashboard. Again, you can pick a question or a URL. So I'm going to pick dashboard. And so what dashboard am I going to? I'm going to this dashboard called the IU dashboard. Okay. And then what are the filters? So here's the thing that tripped me up when I was starting to do this. The dashboard you're sending it to has to have a filter on it. That's how it knows what parameter to pass to it. And in this case, I'm passing the implementation unit name. So, and that's what it's called on the dashboard we're passing it to. And what value do I want to send to it? And this is admin2. So basically, I'm sending admin2 from this dashboard to another dashboard where it's called IU name. And so let me go ahead and click save. And so now if I hover over this, okay, now the click event is fired and it takes me and it passes that implementation unit here. You notice this is required. This is the thing that gets me on the dashboard that's receiving the parameter. You gotta have this. If you don't have it, you won't be able to pass a parameter. You can click to it, but it just won't pass any dynamic information. If you have multiple filters, you can pass multiple parameters. So let's say you may want implementation unit and some other field. You could do that. So this is a really interesting and useful way to pass parameters between dashboards. Hopefully that was helpful. Let us know if you have any other questions.